The Eastern Roman Empire, often referred to as the Byzantine Empire, stood as a bastion of civilization and military might for over 1,000 years. At the heart of its strength lay the Eastern Roman Army, a force renowned for its resilience, adaptability, and innovation. This essay explores the multifaceted aspects of the Eastern Roman Army, delving into its tactics, structure, weapons, recruitment methods, navy, and the soldiers who served in its ranks. The Eastern Roman Army. We must first look back to its origins. Born from the remnants of the Roman Empire in the 4th century AD, the Byzantine military inherited the legacy of Rome while adapting to the changing geopolitical landscape of the medieval world. Its foundation lay in the reforms of Emperor Diocletian and Constantine the Great, which transformed the Roman legions into a more flexible and mobile force. The Byzantine military structure was organized around the themes, administrative units responsible for both military and civil administration. Each theme was governed by a strategos, who served as both military commander and provincial governor. The themes provided a decentralized system of defense, allowing for rapid response to threats while maintaining local governance. One of the hallmarks of the Eastern Roman Army was its tactical flexibility. Byzantine commanders were adept at adapting their strategies to the terrain, the enemy, and the situation at hand. They employed a variety of tactics, including the use of combined arms, deception, and defensive formations such as the famous Roman box or schiltron. The Byzantine soldier was equipped with a diverse array of weapons and armor. From the iconic spathaion to the deadly composite bow, Byzantine weaponry reflected the empire's multicultural influences. The use of Greek fire, a fearsome incendiary weapon, further exemplified Byzantine ingenuity on the battlefield. Recruitment into the Eastern Roman Army was conducted through various means, including conscription, volunteerism, and the recruitment of foreign mercenaries. Training was rigorous and continuous, with emphasis placed on discipline, physical fitness, and proficiency in martial skills. The Byzantine Navy, or the Byzantine Fleet, played a vital role in protecting the empire's maritime interests. Employing advanced ship designs and naval tactics, Byzantine fleets dominated the Mediterranean and Black Seas for centuries. The use of dromons, galleys equipped with Greek fire, gave the Byzantines a decisive edge in naval warfare. At the heart of the Eastern Roman Army were its soldiers. From the disciplined infantry of the tagmata to the elite cavalry of the cataphracts, Byzantine soldiers were trained professionals dedicated to defending their empire. Their loyalty to their commanders and the empire itself was unwavering, as demonstrated in countless battles and campaigns. Despite facing numerous challenges throughout its existence, the Eastern Roman Army left a lasting legacy on the art of warfare. Its tactics, organizational structure, and military innovations influenced armies across Europe, the Middle East, and beyond. Even after the fall of Constantinople in 1453, echoes of the Byzantine military tradition reverberated in the tactics and strategies of succeeding empires. The Eastern Roman Army stands as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Byzantine Empire. Through its innovative tactics, flexible structure, formidable weapons, and dedicated soldiers, it defended the empire against countless threats for over a millennium. Its legacy lives on as a source of inspiration for military historians and strategists, reminding us of the enduring power of human ingenuity in the face of adversity.